workout, we're going to simply pick up the medium weight and we're going to activate our hamstrings. This is the assumption that you did do my warm-up, so super important. I have my left foot out in front, my right foot is back. I'm going to slowly inhale. I'm going to exhale, bring this plate up and calf raise. Okay, so you inhale, flat back, exhale, and calf raise. And so when doing these hamstrings, be very careful that you're not going fast. You really want to activate the entire muscle, and you have to think about it again. Mobility, it is a bit of a stretch. So you're inhaling, heel down, toe up, and you come up and do a calf raise. All right, so go ahead and switch to the other side. Shake that out. Again, if you have tight hamstrings like me, you will definitely feel it. My right foot is out in front, my left foot is back. I'm going to slowly inhale and exhale, come up and calf raise. Inhale and exhale, come up, calf raise. So as you come up, make sure that you're activating your abs. Make sure you're activating obviously your glutes and your hamstrings, and come up for the calf raise. Inhale slowly down, exhale, come up and calf raise. Make sure that you're breathing a lot. All right, good job. So go ahead and shake that out. We're going to do some standing crunches, hands behind our head. We're just going to work on our left side first. So we're crunching and we're lifting that leg, crunching and lifting. So we're really activating that oblique, getting everything nice and shapely. So make sure you fully crunching over. It's a good spine stretch. We really want a mobile spine. In the perk, we get to activate our abs as well. Crunch it and lift it. Crunch it. All right, good job. So shake that out. Get ready for the other side, hands behind our head. Our left elbow is going to our right knee. And I crack a lot. Here we go. So we're crunching over and we're lifting out. So crunch all the way over. Try to connect if you can and lift up. Crunch and lift. Crunch, breathe out and lift. And lift. Good job. So you should be also feeling that hip. We're really toning those hips, those glutes. It'll help with posture. And crunch and lift. All right, good job. So go ahead and come down to the mat on our back. Our squeezy ball, if you have one, a towel, a pillow is between your knees. And go ahead and bridge up, squeeze the ball, release, and come down. Come up, squeeze the ball, release, and come down. So this is really, really good for your pelvic floor. It's good for digestion, believe it or not. Activating all those goodies in your stomach. Really feel those little abs as you pull it in. Breathe out and come down. Good job. So stay right where you are. This time we're going to come up and stay up, and we're going to pulse the ball. By pulsing the ball, we are squeezing our inner thighs. We're toning our inner thighs. Part of mobility is strength. We must strengthen and also be mobile. So every time you squeeze in, breathe out, squeeze those glutes, squeeze those little abs. Keep it up. Keep squeezing. Should feel good. If you have low back pain, you should do this often. Squeeze it. Keep going. Almost there. All right, good job. So we're going to turn this into a crunch. The ball stays between your legs. Your hands go out wide like a T. We're going to come up and crunch and come down and tap. Come up and crunch and tap. So we're doing our low abs here. There you go. Squeeze those abs. Keep going. So it's good for your low abs, but you actually have to activate them. You got to squeeze them. All right, good job. All right, so I'm going to come up now. We're going to do a little bit of a combo move in a second, but for right now, we'll start easy. Right leg is out. Left knee is bent. I want you to come up and squeeze the ball. Squeezing the ball. We're getting mobile in our inner thighs and our pelvic floor actually. So breathe, squeeze it, and kind of bring it down. Squeeze that ball, activate those abs. Keep it up, you're doing great. Squeeze it and release it. Squeeze it and release it. Almost there. Good job. Combo move, here we go. We're going to be stretching our side. Stretching over. Here we go. Coming back, sinking down, coming up. Stretching to the right, stretching to the left. Feels so good. Sinking down, come up, squeeze the ball. Stretch to the right. Actually, that's totally stretched to the left. This is stretch to the right. Sink down, come up. So make sure you're really stretching. Feels amazing. And you're getting your mobility there too. So go ahead and switch those legs. Right leg all the way back out, left leg. Right now we're just gonna come up and squeeze. So go ahead and come up and squeeze the ball, squeeze your abs. Big breath out as you squeeze. Keep it going. Should feel good in that inner thigh, giving you a nice stretch. If you sit a lot, this is good, 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 good. You really want to keep those hip flexors mobile. Sitting in a chair really locks them up. All right, good job. Combo move, here we go. We're going to be stretching to the right, to the left, sink down, and come up. So let's try it. Stretch to the left, stretch to the right. Hold the ball, 2 hands, sink down, come up, squeeze. Stretch it, and stretch it again. Sink down, come up. Stretch, stretch, sink down, and come up. Stretch it again, and again. Sink down. Good job. All right, so that should have felt pretty good. Go ahead and drop the ball, grab your plate. Let's do a little bit of abs. We're on our backs again. We're crunching this forward. We're crunching this out. Make sure your low back stays connected to the ground. Crunching forward and out. If you can go lower and out. Use those low abs to pull that plate back in. Crunch it. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale. Keep going. It does not have to be fast, totally not. I'd rather you engage the correct muscles versus going super fast. Okay? All right, so adding on. Feet are gonna be above head. I want you to small pulse up. Go. Last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Awesome. So that is just a quick, super quick mobility ab. We activated our hamstrings and our thighs just to ultimately feel good. Try this workout and add it to your routine. Make sure that you subscribe and comment below and let me know how you did. See ya.
Daytime better come correct.